Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to Happy Angel Reading, and today's reading is for Scorpio. This is a requested reading, for Scorpio for the remaining weeks of February. No, for the remaining days of February. Okay, Spirit Guide, thank you for your patience. Please to guide us in the reading. Only to the angel will come. Ascended Master, please to guide me. Please to have some clarity and enlightenment for the last week of February for Scorpio. What is coming for Scorpio? Spirit Guide. This is challenge. Tell everything, Spirit Guide. Oh. Justice, you have the Ace of Swords in reverse, Eight of Pentacles in reverse. It's flowed out, so I think we need to read this one, no? Ten of Swords, Five of Swords, Six of Swords in reverse, Seven of Pentacles. Okay, but I've been saying here now you'll be justified, or maybe let's say na Scorpio, you've been on your recent past we've seen you find justice actually na on your recent past, maybe meron kang inaayos na legal papers or legal documents na magkakaroon ng positive result this February. No, if some of you is waiting for some legal document or there's a hearing, court hearing, Scorpio, it will turn also into a positive result. No, I've been saying you try to find you're trying to find some truth, or you're seeking truth of something here. You're trying to strategize things. Then this February, no, last week of February, and you couldn't focus. Maybe you're waiting for the result, Scorpio, but have peace because I've seen some positive outcome, Scorpio. No, or whether if it's in a relationship energy, uh, kapag ang karelasyon mo, maybe na nakikita natin na you're trying to seek truth, gusto mong makalaman ng gusto mong yung kasagutan, no? Kita natin pinagigihan mo naman, you're trying your best, Scorpio, to contribute on the relationship also, no? Kita natin. And maraming gumugulo sa isip mo, full of thinking ka this coming February also, Scorpio, no? Um, Parang you've been seeing here, the more na kumikilos ka, parang the more it's getting into a turmoil energy. So you try to stay away, but pumunta ka rin sa magulong sitwasyon, no? You're gonna be staying away sana sa present na sitwasyon mo. Kaya lang, ang path din na pinuntahan mo is lalong magulo. Ano? Parang there's a lot of storm and distractions on sa Scorpio na nakikita natin dito, no? So tignan natin kung let's clarify itong Ace of Swords in reverse. Oh, pertaining about maybe this is also water sign, no? You might be actually dealing with a water sign also. Na parang hindi mo na nakikita ang kanyang pagiging romantiko, no? Parang you are actually looking na ma-appreciate ka, Scorpio, no? Pero ang parang yan ang or you are also making ways para magbalik ang dating init ng inyong pagmamahalan, no? Tell us more, Spirit Guide. Especially to those who's dealing with ano no, with same sign as you or any water sign. When it comes to work naman dito, yeah, parang yun din dalahin mo rin this February, no? This last week of February, parang sa work mo nakikita mo very destructive energy. Yeah, maybe parang ito rin siguro yung sinasabing tupa, yung you try to move or you're trying to find new jobs din sa'yo. Sa trabaho kasi nakikita mo na you're not progressing, no? So you are deciding something na you wanted to end that or you wanted to end that project, let's say na, pero tatapusin mong resulta, parang pakikita mo rin yung yung positive result na nakita natin dito na ipinaglaban mo pero hindi yata umubra or they didn't appreciate that when it comes to your project or to your work, no, Scorpio? Tell us more. Nakita ko rin dito, if it's in a relationship also, you're dealing with water sign also, and parang somebody is try to get into the situations or sabihin natin na merong merong gustong pumasok sa relasyon ninyong dalawa o sabihin natin may nakikialam, no, that cause din na parang you decide na to leave that relationship or to stay away on that partnership, no, parang it's been obvious to you na yung taong yan ang makakasira sa relationship ninyo, no? Tell us more with Eight of Pentacles in reverse. Ayan, talagang those dealing with the water sign, then same sign as you, maybe Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Um, or this might be your energy also, no? Parang you put a lot effort on the relationship, no? You put a lot of effort on the relationship. Kaya lang parang it wasn't been recognized or you're doing a lot of things diyan sa relationship ninyo pero parang nakikita mo or nararamdaman mo na hindi walang exchange, no? Parang you also seeking for that. Kagaya ng sinabi ko, gusto mo rin makita yung pagmamahal ng persons mo, no? Pero I've been seeing here na itong taong ito is very romantic or this new persons is about to come to you. Nasabihin natin isang Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. And to those who's dealing with Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo, I think ang nakikialam, no? Parang nakita ko, parang nakikialam is a mother figure energy, no? Na parang intrimitida ang mga biyanan, no? Parang ganun. So, pero you decided, Scorpio, na hindi ka na papabuli. Or parang you will gonna give them a lesson, Scorpio, no? Kasi nga, something to do, kasi Mars is actually, no, retrograding in each signs, no? Ang bilis. So, parang ang opposite, parang sabihin natin Venus, tapos andyan yan si Mars. Parang very incompatible energy tayo in this 2025, no? But, kumbaga parang it's a big storm. Na talagang mararanasan niyo din and ang bilis ng changes, no? So just go on with the flow and try to be kind and compassions, actually yan ang maging respond ninyo sa inyong sitwasyon this 2025, no? Pero nakikita natin dito you're ending up of something and you're not gonna allow someone to bully or to intimidate on the relationship. Ipagla pero still gumugulo sa isip mo talaga. You're finding ways on how to resolve that problem with other persons na so nakikita natin ang nag-intermediate rito is I've seen a mother figure or sabihin natin na medyo hindi boto sa or hindi siya boto sa partner mo, no, medyo nakikialam parang ano, no, so but you are fighting for it. And when it comes to your work naman, nakikita natin full of bullies and parang scattered energy, Scorpio, on your workplace, no, and parang pero makikita nilang effort mo once you leave that on that space. Once na sabi natin, some of you is may mag stop ng work sa this February, no? Or sabihin na hanggang February ka na lang. But uh, you're gonna actually leave something behind na matatandaan ka nila. Or sabihin natin na mag-iiwan ka ng isang momento na very positive na mapapakinabangan nila, and that's the time that they gonna realize how important are you on that group or on that work or on that project, no? Ayan. Tell us why the ten of swords is there. Ayan din, no? Parang nakikita mo rin talaga, may nakikita tayong break up talaga, and may nakikita din akong false alarm sa pagbubuntis. Is cups in reverse, especially those dealing with another earth sign, or let's say na may nabuntis sa inyo na nagkaroon ng, sabi natin, parang nalaglag or na ano, no, because the cause of these persons, no, isang Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo, na one of the some of you, no, meron din separations tayong nakikita for Scorpio. It's good din something is about to end, na hindi mo nahahayaan siguro yung mga intimidations. Parang tatay nanay din ito, no? Sabihin natin, nag-cause din ng inyong, actually hindi ka, may separation pa lang, pinag-isipan mo pa lang dumayo, or parang hindi ka na nag-iisip na to mend this relationship at the moment. Parang tapos ka na because you've been trying many times. It's happening many times. Pero I didn't see any third party here, Scorpio, or any, ano, but I've been seeing here who tried to meddle on the relationship, no? Eh, sa bagay, hindi rin natin masisisi ang parents, no? Kung ganun man ang, pero always remember, you have your own free will, no? Na to decide kung anong dapat gawin sa nakikita nating problema mo this until this February. Anyway, um, energy keep on changing. So, you have a hint already in this, on your situations, this, na pwede mong gawin ng action, gawin mo into a positive, or maybe, uh, everything's happened for its reasons. Baka mamaya may darating na bagong tao sa'yo na Scorpio na mas deserve ang pagmamahal mo, no? Or sabihin din natin na kailangan ma-experience yan, or sabihin natin karmic retributions, kailangan hanggang magkaroon ng lesson siguro ang partner mo o ikaw to be able to ano no to ascend sa inyong relationship. Kailangan hindi kasi magmo-move forward yan, no, if it will keep on happening. Siguro sabihin natin palagi na lang kayo nag-aaway, Scorpio, palagi nag-aaway, no? Paulit-ulit yun because walang progress, o ang resulta or ang desisyon ninyong dalawa is just the same, no? Nagkukos pa rin ng conflict. Kahit pumunta ka sa path na yan, you try to, ano, kasi by six of swords in reverse ka, no? You try to move forward. Kaya lang, ang pinuntahan mong ano rin, path, is still the same. You try to move forward, still the same. But I've been saying here, you try to work hard on the relationship, but para it's not working out, and parang you're being irritated to those people who try to meddle on the relationship, or maybe siguro nakatira ka dyan sa ano mo, sa mga bilas mo, sa mga ano mo, medyo nasusuffocate ka, or sabihin natin yung free parang kumaga you're not free because lahat ng mata nasa iyo, kaya hindi ka makabuelo rin, no? Or maybe sabihin natin din dito na Seven of Pentacles dito, you're just being impatient also, no, Scorpio? But always remember, everything's happened for its reasons, and you have your own free will. So I'm gonna give you guidance. Now let's see guidance. Archangel, angel guide, archangel. We're gonna using archangel for your oracle reading, spirit guide, guidance, spirit guide para po kay Scorpio for the remaining days of February. Spiritual understanding. This is Archangel Rafael is giving he is bringing you an esoteric informations and symbol to to ascend or to heal your energy. or to heal the situations also, no? He is actually helping you. Archangel Rafael actually is helping you to understand some on your situations daw. Or I've been saying here also na to see the truth. He's helping you actually to see the truth, no? Or to enlighten on the current situations that you are, no? So that's much better for Scorpio. You will be noticing daw sa sa time ng ganyan nga medyo ano no medyo hindi sabihin natin hindi kaya-aya ang remaining Scorpio, pero diyan si Archangel Raguel and Archangel Rafael, no, binibigyan ka ng signs ng mga gabay para maintindihan mo kung bakit nangyayari ang sitwasyon na yan, no? Kasi it's been repeating. Even though some nagtapos na, and then you started again, gumugulo pa rin, no? Parang you're not willing to let go those heartache and pain, no? Kaya mabagal ang usad ng ng moral lesson dito, no? So si Archangel Raguel, clear sentience ang sentience ang advice niya dito, notice you're requiring physical and emotional feeling as they signify divine guidance. So it's happened for its reasons. It's inevitable situations this February sa Scorpio kasi kita nga natin para mabigyan ka rin ng lesson or yung partner mo, no? So always remember this is a general reading and just take what resonate and leave the rest. So if you're new to our channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe and make sure hit the notifications bell because we do live po, no? So para malaman nyo kung kailan tayo magla-live. Ayan, maraming salamat sa iyo, Scorpio, and Crosswatcher also. Thank you so much and God bless you.